Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's video, which is all about my skincare routine. Now, I'm not going to do demos of me using these products because if you want to see that, you can probably check out one of my old morning routines. There should be like a morning routine or routine playlist on my channel, and if not that one, then I will be recording a very new one in the very near future, so you'll kind of see me using. Basically, I just wanted to run you through some of the products that I use to keep my skin fresh, supple, glowing, clean and hydrated, and most of all healthy. So if you like the sound of that, then please keep watching. So I'm going to talk about the first thing, which I think is the most important thing to improve your skin from the inside out, and that is drinking water. Now, I use this it's like a reusable water bottle. I just got it from Primark, and I drink water that has been filtered. So if I'm not buying bottled water, if I'm out and about, then I will be drinking water that I've put through my Brita filter. And I do try to get in 2 litres a day. It's very difficult on the weekends where I'm running around like a headless chicken, but I do find that during the week when I'm at work at my desk, it's very easy to just fill up my bottle, know that I need to do it once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and just get my 1 litre in each side of the day that way. So drinking water, I found, has made me, one, go to the toilet a whole lot more, especially if you're drinking your daily recommended amount. And what that tends to do then is allow the body to pass through any toxins or any gunk or horrible stuff that's been running around in your bloodstream and just pass it out. So you're taking things in and you're releasing, and it's all cleansing from the inside out. And that very much reflects itself in your skin and what your skin looks like. And basically, drinking water is all about staying hydrated, and if your skin is hydrated, it is more healthy, it looks more healthy, it's more supple, and it has more, I would also say probably it's got more like elasticity to it because it's so soft, and therefore it stays looking younger for longer. So if there's one thing you can do, it's drink plenty of water. Now, I wouldn't overdo it, but 2 litres a day is enough. The other thing that I think is highly important when it comes to skincare is cleansing. Now, I always find that any products that you put on your skin after you've cleansed always work a whole lot better. So for cleansing, I use a few different things. But the main thing is just water and a really good facial cleanser. So at the moment, I use the Neutrogena Visibly Clear Spot Proofing 2-in-1 wash/mask. What I love about this is it does double up as a mask as well. So if you don't have the funds to spend loads of money on a high-end mask, this does a really good job. So you can like just wash it all over your face and like rinse it off, or you can spread it all over your face and leave it on there to dry, and then wipe off with, like, I normally use like a flannel. And yeah, this is a really good cleansing wash and mask. I've actually been using this since I was a teenager, and it really helped to kind of calm down my problematic teenage skin, because believe it or not, I had mad spots when I was a teenager. I had terrible acne, and this really helped to keep it at bay. And once I started to come into my adult skin, it really did help to clear things up. And I think that's one thing that a lot of us forget with skincare. I think when we are in our teen years, our skin is going through so many changes, hormones are raging, and also a lot in pregnancy again because of the hormone imbalance or change up, that your skin is going through a period of transition. So I would always save any drastic decisions for skincare or facial treatments until you've kind of come out of your teens and you've moved into your adulthood. The next thing that I think is a really important part of my skincare is exfoliation, and I am an exfoliation junkie. So I love body exfoliators, I love face exfoliators, I love to exfoliate my feet. I don't get to do that so often, apart from when I go to get my nails done. But I think that there is nothing better for removing dead skin than exfoliating. And I always just find that my skin feels that much cleaner. So normally what I will do is exfoliate first and then cleanse after, because once all the dead skin's gone, you can use your cleanser or whatever it is to wash it all away. So for my face, the exfoliator that I use at the moment is the Visibly Clear Pore and Shine Daily Scrub, also Neutrogena. So this one apparently helps to visibly mattify the skin and helps tighten pores. It's got tangerine and lime in it. This actually might be what's breaking me out, to be honest. But anyway, so I have to be quite careful with my skin because it reacts quite quite quickly to products with like citrus or like orange or lime or lemon or things like that in it. So this scrub has been okay, but it's not something that I can use on a daily basis. It's just something that I'll use when I know I'm going to be wearing a full face of makeup. I want a really smooth, even base to work with, and that's what exfoliation is good for. Like, you want to, especially if you wear makeup, you want to apply your makeup on as smooth a canvas as possible. And what exfoliating does is it gets rid of any dead skin cells on the surface of your skin and basically buffs those away and just makes it really nice and flat and smooth and even. I hear lip exfoliators are really good as well, but what I tend to do is just use the exfoliator for my face on my lips as well. And then a body scrub, which is the same thing, just which I'll normally do while I shave. I don't know why. I don't know. I'll either use one of these after I've shaved or while I'm shaving, and I'll focus mostly on my legs, my arms, my stomach area, and yeah, basically just rub it all over. So this one is the Sanctuary Spa Body Scrub, and I just like the fact that the beads in this are really like fine, and you know, it's not huge. In fact, I actually got this in like a gift set, like a Christmas gift set, which was, I think it was like £5 or something, but it came with this, it came with a body wash, and it came with some bath salts as well. So it was a really good deal. And Sanctuary's products are really, I find them to be quite luxurious. They remind me of being in a spa, so I really enjoy this. So yeah, this exfoliate my body, amazing. Another product that I really like to exfoliate my body with is the Soap and Glory Sugar Scrub, because it just makes the bathroom smell amazing, and it smells like sugar. It smells like just sweet nectar. Love it. But this one's been a really good one in the interim. Then something that is kind of an exfoliator meets mask that I've been using of late is this. So I love Glam Glow products because I think that they actually work. I think there is a lot of high-end skincare that we can all be roped into buying, but skincare that I've actually seen have a really positive effect on my face anyway is the Glam Glow line. So this is the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment, and it just comes in this white packaging here. And so basically all of Glam Glow's products, or well, all of their masks anyway, kind of have these small exfoliating beads within them, and they sort of, what they do is your face gets exfoliation as well as really deep pore cleansing. So what I would do normally is, if I know I'm going to use this, I won't use an exfoliator. So I will wash my face with my cleanser and rinse that all off, and then I will go in with this and the spatula that comes with it and apply that all over my face, leave it on. I think the recommended time to leave it on is 5 to 20 minutes, but to be honest, I leave it on for a little bit longer, sometimes 30 minutes, and just let that set. And what happens with the Glam Glow mask is it will go dry and it will go matte, like a matte grey colour. But what you'll be able to see is areas where your skin has been really oily, because those will be like a darker shade of grey, just to indicate where your problem areas are. And because I have really oily skin, I tend to find that it's where my pores are largest that is where I need to keep really clean. So normally it'll be around here and in my T-zone. So I really enjoy that, and I probably use that like 3 times a week, like every other day, something like that. And especially the night before, I know I've got like a heavy makeup day. So let's say I'm filming like today, then I will definitely use that the night before. And it's also quite tingling as well. You can kind of feel it like doing something on your skin, and that's always quite helpful. I used to have the, I think it was the Youth Mud, which is the one in the black packaging, but they didn't have that when I was looking online. By the way, all these products are going to be linked in the description box below in case you want to purchase any of them. Something that I've actually veered away from because I have oily skin, but I know I shouldn't, is oils, facial oils. And it's something that I've been just dabbling with and experimenting with recently. But I have been using an oil at night on my skin, because the idea is that if you have really oily skin, using a facial oil will tell your skin, or get it into the habit of not producing as much oil because you're adding more oil to it. And I think us oily skin girls tend to be all about mattifying and really trying to keep the oils at bay, when it's actually the oils that keep your skin looking younger and more supple and give it that elasticity that means that you look 20 when you're 30. So I didn't want to take oil out of my skincare routines. I know it's very important for my skin. It's considering it produces so much of it. So I got the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Oil. I got it in a small size because I just wanted to see how I got on with it. But I think so far it's really good. So what I like about it is this. It has a cute little pipette. So I always love things that have like really cute application style. So you just squeeze a drop and then you like rub it all over your face. What I love is that it absorbs immediately into the skin. And I think that one of the really big problems with having oily skin is you don't want oils sitting on top of your skin and then your oils come out and then it's just one whole oily mess. This always absorbs right into my skin, and I do feel like my skin is getting a treatment. So we'll see. I've not been using it for the longest of times, I think about 2 weeks, but so far my skin kind of wakes up and I feel like it's really soft and I feel like it's very plump, and I like that. So I'm going to keep using that and let you know how I get on. While we're on the subject of oil, for my body I tend to go to coconut oil for days where I want like proper moisture. So I will only do this like once a week because, to be honest, in the mornings I genuinely don't have the time. But I just get this this coconut oil from Amazon. It's just like raw organic extra virgin coconut oil. The great thing with coconut oil is it's like a nature's beauty product. Like you can use it to cook food, you can use it as a hair mask, you can use it as a moisturizer, you can use it for lots of different things, conditioner, everything. So I will moisturize with that probably only like once a week, maybe at the end of the week, like after a bath, just to get a good bit of moisture into the skin. And then for the rest of the time, I will use something a bit lighter like this. So this is Nivea Extra Rich Moisturizing Lotion. It is enriched for dry skin, and I always feel like as a black girl, I don't want too much moisture because I don't want to be greasy, because there's the whole thing where you like then try and write on a piece of paper and the grease from your hand means that the ink won't set on the paper that you're writing on. That was my problem all throughout school. But anyway, so I need a lotion that is going to lock in moisture. Because the other thing that happens is, because I'm drinking so much water, I'm washing my hands a lot when I go to the toilet, and therefore my hands are the place that get the dry the most. And while I'm continuously washing my hands, I'm ridding them of the moisture, so I need something that can lock it in enough, and this is really good at that. So I started out just using it as a hand lotion, and then I just started using it all over my body because, one, it just smells like babies, which I love, and two, it's actually really moisturizing. So love that. The other thing that I've incorporated into my skincare routine is an eye cream, because yes, we're getting to that age. Prevention is better than cure. And for my eyes, I don't really have, I wouldn't say I have crow's feet or like wrinkles yet, but I can start to see the signs of aging under my eyes. So I have been using this Illumine Overnight Age Defying Eye Serum. So it's for all skin types, and it has a really nice smell. You only need a little bit because it is quite thick, I would say. It's not too thick, but like just literally like the tiniest bit, and I just dab it under my eyes. I always find the instructions for using eye cream is dab, do not drag, because then you'll give yourself wrinkles by using it, which is not the goal. Then for my lips, I used to use this for my hands, but to be honest, it's a lot more effective as a lip moisturiser and almost like a little bit of gloss, to be honest. It's like multi-purpose, but it's the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream, and as you can see, I am well out and probably need to top up. I think the next time I buy this, I'm going to get the little tub that it comes in, that you can just like dip, because this is, I always find these tubes really hard to get product out on once it's like nearly done. So yeah, this is something I never thought I would be buying, but I swear by it, and it smells amazing. Like, as far as moisture goes, like if you want a full-on foolproof moisture, this is your go-to. And that's everything, I guess. So that the only thing I've missed out from that is toner, which I think is important, but to be honest, in the times I've used the toner, I've not really got what its purpose has been. So I guess it's like most toners are to like help close your pores or reduce the appearance of large pores, or to eventually even out your skin tone. I don't know, but if I'm using a toner, it's from Simple. They've focused on formulating products for people with oily skin. So if there was a toner I'd recommend, it would be the Simple toner. So I will link everything that I've mentioned in the description box below. If you have any questions or if you have any recommendations, just definitely leave them down below for everybody. It's about helping and sharing, especially if you guys have a similar skin type to me. Any recommendations for oily skin would be much appreciated. I am really trying to venture into more higher end skincare, because I think it does pay to invest more in the one organ that, you know, basically covers your body. So if you guys have any recommendations for products that you've used that you really enjoy, do let me know. I've been looking into things like Sunday Riley and Clarins and all sorts, but I just want to know about products that you guys have tried and tested. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you are not subscribed, please do subscribe. I am very active on Instagram these days, so do come and check me out there. It's at SWS blog, and I'll have linked that in the description box below.